In this video, I'll be showing you how you can turn off notifications or adjust notifications from the LinkedIn app. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. To do that, tap on your profile at the top right corner. I don't have a profile picture, so you cannot see it. Now let's move to our settings. Good. On this section, we move to our notifications. You can see all this here. You can read them and then turn them off here. So hiring someone, searching for a job, connecting with others and the rest, and posting and commenting. This one is very much annoying. Let's open that and turn it off like that. And that's it. You're not going to get any notification from comments or posts you've liked or something. It's very, very annoying. And now, news and reports. This too is annoying. You just turn it off. It's up to you. Just read it. What you don't like, you just open it, connecting with others, and then you turn it off. And sometimes you can even turn them off by tapping on that. So in-app is the app notifications you see on your notifications in this app, and then your push notification is this on your phone, like this push notifications when you turn on data. And then email is the one that goes to your email you registered LinkedIn with. So it's up to you. When you open it, you can just, if you don't want to turn everything off like that, you can just glance through profile views and all that. You come here. So when someone views your profile, you just want to see it. You don't want to get a notification on this section. You don't want to even see it in your email. It's going to be flooding your email. Just in-app notification, simple as that. So that's it. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.